Welcome back to the What Is series. In this brief video, I'll provide you with some information on the practice of mindfulness, an explanation of what it is, what it involves, and its benefits. Mindfulness is a practice that involves bringing your attention to the present moment in a non-judgmental and accepting way. It originates from Buddhist traditions, but in recent years it has been adapted and studied in a variety of different contexts. Mindfulness is often cultivated through techniques such as breathing exercises, body scanning, and conscious awareness of sensory experiences. So the essence of mindfulness is to develop a heightened sense of awareness and a deep connection with the present moment, rather than getting lost in thoughts about the past or worries about the future. It involves paying attention to your thoughts, emotions, bodily sensations, and the surrounding environment with an attitude of curiosity, kindness, and non-reactivity. So practicing mindfulness has been associated with numerous benefits for mental, emotional, and physical well-being. And some of the key benefits include stress reduction, improved focus and attention, emotional regulation, enhanced self-awareness, better mental health, and improved physical well-being. Like any skill, mindfulness requires regular practice and patience to develop it. So on this channel, you'll find a selection of sessions which you can use to practice different mindfulness techniques. You might like to experiment with these to find one that works for you and then practice it regularly. Namaste.